Now that we have purchased our domain name, let's go ahead and look into the WordPress tutorial and a graphic designing for our website. But before that, please understand we need to install WordPress. So how is that we're going to install WordPress? We need to go with the cPanel in our hosting. So let's check whether our hosting has been completed in profreehoster.com or not. So once that is done, we can go ahead and install our WordPress. So in this module, we will be learning WordPress installation, finding free stock photos for our business, pexels.com, editing with Canva and Pixlr. So there are two things that I have given it to you. I'll take you through pexels.com and pixlr.com. You can also get the stock photos from canva.com, which will be your assignment, which you need to practice on your end. Now in this we will be also looking at our website creation, choosing themes and plugin installations that we will be understanding. So let's look at, go ahead and check whether our website has been hosted correctly or not. So let's go here, go to client area in profreehost.com. So now if you check, yes, it has been hosted. So beautyspa.unox.com, click on manage. Then you will have your details. So this will be your username, your main domain is this, created data. If you want to change your password, you can change the password. I have already changed my password, so I'm not changing it, but if you wish to change it, you can change it. If you can check for the DNS name servers, it is already here. Now here if you see the control panel, so let's click on control panel. It's very easy in profreehost.com. So you are redirecting it to the control panel. So let's click, it has already been clicked here. So click on I approve. So you will see your account details, that pre-hosting and all, and if you want to search for any domain names also, it is available here. Now if you can scroll down a bit, go to software, click on Softaculous app installer, click on it. So you see the WordPress here, install, click on install. You will have a quick install option, but your domain name, your HTTP, so site name, currently it will be like my blog. So let's keep it as my blog, will not change it here. And change in your username, admin username. I'll put my email ID as my username. I'll hide this password here. So once it is done, you can select the theme, or you can refresh, or you can check for the other available themes pertaining to your options or pertaining your business. So these are the default themes by WordPress. So I'll select this theme for the time being, then we will check. So your website will be loaded with this. So click on install. Oops, why the connection was lost? Let me check. So now it is loaded. You will get these, and please try and save these details because this will be your URL. So you can click on this URL. So I'm saving this. I'll open a notepad for me. So anything here and test. So So I'll go and click on save it here. So once that is done, now let us view our website. Now once you click on it, it will take to us website wherein we can start editing our website. So it is taking a while to load. Now it is done. This will be your WordPress. Now this is where you will start editing your website. This is the shortcuts that is available on your dashboard, wherein once you log in you can change, you can write or add post, which we will be discussing. So once it is done, once you have installed, let's get on to our next program, that is graphic designing via pixels.com. So let us find out a few more stock photos from www.pixels.com which can be useful for our web designing. So what is the ID? So let's go ahead. The URL is pexels.com. Please do pexels.com. That's a free stock photos where you can download. Once you have this, so click on spa, you will get the photographs. Now relaxation, skincare, everything, wellness, makeup, facials. You can also see a beauty salons here. So choose any theme or any pics that is apt for your business. All right. So it is wellness is also relevant, but let me choose spa only. So these are a related one. You can also check for beauty salon. So you can choose any of the pics that you wanted. All right. Now let us go ahead and download free stock photos. I'll download it couple of stock photos wherein we go ahead and edit it. So I'll download this one or this one. This one I'll download it. So click on the download option. You can also download this. Let me see. There are so many good photographs. I'm getting confused which one to download. So I'll go ahead and use this one. So free download. So this, you ignore this, it is already downloaded here. Yeah. So this is how you can download the pictures with a very good pixel rates and all. Now once you have downloaded this, if you wanted to save it on your desktop so that it will be easy for you to edit. Now what I'll do is I'll go to Pixlr. What is that called as? Pixlr. For this you need an account, you need to join in. Please understand, Pixlr. It is not Pixel, Pixlr. So here the pixlr.com, click on this. So login, I have my own login ID, or if you do not have the login, you can go ahead and sign up for the same. So I have this email ID. Oh, I think there is, forgot. Alright, now let's go and edit it. This is the window that you will be able to look in. Open image, click on open image or create new. I would say create new. Let's not go back. Create new. So you have an option here, website small, or if you wanted a web, this is a pixel rates that is talking about full HD, website, ultra, Instagram, and you can also see the Facebook. So whatever the media or whatever the platform that you want to use, you can use it. So we'll go with web, and I'll open an image. So let us go to desktop or wherever your files are saved in. Let me look at this part. Yeah, so there are a couple of images that I have downloaded it. I'll use this one, so I'll use this. So apply. Yeah, now it is applied, right? Now if you want to crop it, you can crop it. Change canvas or image size, you can change the image size. Can you see this? If you can change it also, you can change the image size. So let me go back to the 50%, voila, and you can adjust as per your requirement. See colors or saturation. If you want more bright, you can. Temperature. So I would want this, or I can, yeah, thoda bahut, yeah, this is off. Or if you wanted to, it's black and white, it will become black and white. If you wanted to invert the shades kind, you can do it. And the most important thing, if you wanted to add an element, or that's a sticker kind, you can go ahead and add it. Or see, these are the available stickers, where if you want to overlay, there are a few things that you can, like heart. I'm just using it for the purpose. Yeah, yeah, can you see this here? Now it has come in. If you wanted to do anything like this also, you can do it. It is not a problem. So I do not want, I have deleted it. If you want to add an image, you can also go ahead and add an image. You can browse from your system or wherever it is available, or if you have a URL, you just have to type the URL, then it will automatically get added here. Or if you have a stock photos, which means you already kept your library is full of photos, you can always add it, or the stock photos that is available here as well. So you can use any of these. Most of them are the chocolates wala, or you can search for spa. Yeah, you can have this as well. So add an image. So there are a lot of things that you can do in Pixlr, or add current or create new. Again, it is a web. Apply. See, and you want to text. See, I don't wish to see people this one when they see the first impression on the website. So it is up to you whether you wanted to go with this or change it. It's up to you, my so legs, because in India people do not want to see the legs when they see the website. So it is better, I'll go with this. Create new. I'll click on web, apply. So now I want to add, if you wanted to change any colors of it, you can. So add a text into it. Click on all limitations are self-imposed. This is what they have already given it. I will type regenerate with our regenerate your senses, with our regenerate your senses, with our qualitative regenerate senses, something which is, you can write it, or you can align this as well. You can change this if you wanted your text to appear on uppercase, and you can also change the color of your text and font of your text. You can use anything. Plain color, font, italic, if you wanted it bold, or if you wanted it more professional look, or change color, green. So whatever, if you want this to appear on the top or on the bathtub or wherever you would like, you can go ahead and do it. Now once it is done, I have to save this, correct? So let's click on save option. So JPEG, PNG or WebP or PXT, whatever that you wanted, basis your wish, you can, but I recommend JPEG or PNG. So I'll click on download. So it is getting downloaded here. See how much easy it is. So practice this. I'll also make this as a copy so that I can use it for explaining you the website or updating it in our website, which is beautyspa.unox.com. So click on this. All right, so once it is done, so let's look at choosing a theme for our website. So what was our website? We have used we have installed WordPress in our systems, and now we need to create the website. Clear? So let's create a website creation, which we have already installed. Let us choose themes. If you remember, we have choose a theme in the initial stages as well, and we will install few plugins so that we can edit our business. All these things we will go ahead and do it simultaneously in the next lesson. I hope you had a great time, and any questions you can always write back to us. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson, that is WordPress tutorial settings. So creation, editing, adding your WhatsApp to your WordPress. So all these things we will discuss in the next lesson. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and bye bye. See you in the next lesson again.